Hello, everyone. I am Daisy, the founder of ACE VSS, ACE Virtual Support Services. And today I will be showing you one of the ways we help clients manage their emails without security concern, with very low risk security concern, and build trust as well. So we'll be walking you through Gmail and the delegation process, and a lot of other features, but particularly about delegating, how our clients delegate their emails to us to help them delegate their emails to our VSPs to help them manage, respond to their emails, create labels, do a lot of stuff without any um without any security breach. So here we go. This is a Gmail account, and you just go to settings here, select see all settings, then you come to, we have general labels, inbox, accounts, and imports. Uh-huh. Now you see grant access to your account. So presently you see that there is someone already on this account, and you can always delete the access if you want. I will be adding another person just for the sake of this video. Now take note of these two um options here. Mark as read, mark conversation as read when opened by others. Now what this simply means is, when you delegate your email to someone, when they open a new email, whenever you visit your email, you can't tell if maybe 50 new emails came into your inbox and that person has gone all through 50 of them. You would not be able to tell that 50 emails have come in, okay, unless you have the last time stamp of your last email in your head. Yeah. But when you select this option, leave conversation as unread when opened by others, which does not help you, because when you delegate your email, you're trying to avoid overwhelm. So if you select this option, it means that if 50 emails come in and 50 emails are handled by the person you gave delegated access to, when you open your inbox, you would still see 50 unread emails. And you would feel like the person is either not doing their work, or you just feel overwhelmed. So this is always the best choice. Mark conversation as read when opened by others. Now for sender information, this is usually who what the person sees when they receive your email by the delegate. So say you delegated the email to Productivity Gourmet. When Productivity Gourmet is handling your email, when when say they respond to an email, this is what it shows. It's going to show that it's coming from this particular address, which is the original address of this account. But if you select this, it's going to show this person's account, that's the delegate's account. It will show that it's being sent by that person on behalf of this person, which just makes it a whole complex situation. So always select this so that whoever receives it would, except you have a signature that's for that delegate, maybe if it's your assistant, or if it's your client relations officer, or just anyone ahead, from the signature they'll be able to say, okay, it's not the founder that sent this message, or it's the person working for the founder, but they're using the official email. So now let's just jump straight um into granting access to another account. So let's add another account. So I am very, very big on privacy. You can see that I use NordPass. I always ensure I always ensure that my clients explore all possible options I always ensure that my clients explore all possible options, such as delegating access before anything else, before actually trying to share your actual password. So now moving on, you get this and you type in the email address of who you're delegating to. Next step, and they say send email to grant access. You confirm that this is what you want. This is the email you want. Just a review of the access message, and you send email to grant access. And now a confirmation request has been sent to the delegates. Let us go and see for ourselves. Do you see that it is automatically added here? We've not even gone to the delegates mail yet, but see, it says productivitygourmet@gmail and it says pending. So once I accept that invite, it's going to come out here immediately as accepted, just like this person. And then Google also immediately notifies you at the top that, oh, see, 2 users now have delegated access to your account. So if you are not the one who did this, if you happen to just come into your account at that point, you get to see this and correct it. So now let's go to the delegates account and okay. Mail is probably here, so let's just refresh. And there we have it. Israel has granted the access to their Gmail account to accept or deny. Obviously, I'm going to accept. So I am accepting. You can see there's also a link to reject. So I am accepting this and pum. Let's confirm. Confirm. And now they say it may take up 30 minutes for the verification to complete. Then you can review and send messages on behalf of it. But then let's return back. So now once you grant access here, it's supposed to sort of come down here. So let's refresh again and see if our access is complete. You can tell when you now have access by, and there you go. You see it is virtual support services delegated. So this is what you're likely to see. There's always a key and a delegated by the side. Once you see this, you know that you have access to the account as a delegate. So now let's click on it. So you see that I don't have to log into my client's account you see that I don't have to log into my client's account through their password and all of that. And now they will now be feeling also uncomfortable. They just need to give me this delegatory access. And here we go. There is a pending mail here. And I'm going to reply the mail on their behalf. And I have this already. And oops. There is a signature here, so let's add a signature. You see, there are like 3 signatures, so let's do this and send. And now you see that I have sent this message. Whoever receives it is going to say, oh, it's from this person, it's from who does this, and this is name of the company. And so here, now you come to inbox and you see that, oh, this has been handled already. Now, if we had selected this option, whenever I come to my inbox, I would still see, let's see. Now you see, it's gone. If I had selected that other option, this would still look as an unread. This would still feature as an unread email. Yes. So yes, that is it. So let me also show you the difference between and how much access the delegate has. So on the delegated accounts, you can see that they can create labels, they can do anything that has to do with all the sections. But so yes, so was I. Welcome back. Sorry, I had to dance on there by a quick one there. So yeah, I wanted to point out the differences between the level of access a delegate has and does not have for a client's mail. So here you can see that everything related to the inbox, this person is able to access labels, send, schedule emails and all of that. Now let's go to settings. Let's say this person wants to by their self revoke access to this client's mail, or they want to gain access. They just want to change, account settings. Now see all settings here. Now look at, they have general labels, inbox filters, but they do not have access to account and imports. So let me open the main person's mail so that you see what I'm talking about. Um, Here you go. Now they do not have accounts and imports. Oh my God. Okay, so they have general labels inbox, but they don't have this accounts and imports. Here, look at it. You see general labels inbox, but no accounts and imports. So you see there is so little that they can do to tamper with your account. Yep. So now let's go back. Once again, a delegated email would always have this key to show you that it is delegated. They are not the actual owners of the account. Also, you can see that this person does not have access to all your other Google um, applications like your Google Drive, Google Meet, and all of that. Even your calendar cannot be managed through this place. Shows you how limited the how limited their access is. Also shows you how much Google thoughtfully prioritize the security for this delegation. So here, once again, look at, you have your Google accounts, applications, but when it's on a delegated email, they do not have these things. So yes, that is all for granting access. So now let us revoke access. We just go back to the same grant access to your account and we delete. And they ask us, are you sure? And we say, okay. And what next? Let's be certain and let's see. Reload, 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 reload. And there you go. We are back to just one person on this account. Thank you so much. I do hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please subscribe to my account. And what's the other thing? Like this video. Yeah.